G'day, welcome to our second in our Green Urea NV for Summercrop series. My name's Bede O'Mara, Technical Agronomist based in Toowoomba on the Darling Downs. Just wanted to talk to you today about the factors that affect ammonia volatilisation from our surface urea applications. So there's about 6 or 7 determining factors, all of which when coincided can create losses in the vicinity of 15 to 30% for summer crops, we think. So the research is a bit lacking in this area, and there is more work about to be done in the coming summer to quantify the actual losses, but we think they're pretty high. So I suppose the first part is soil moisture and humidity. Do we have enough soil moisture in a drying soil or humid conditions prior to a rainfall event that are going to solubilise our granule that we've applied on the soil surface? That can have some detrimental effects. The next one is pH. So obviously our soil pHs in this part of the world are generally alkaline or quite high, and we're adding urea as an alkaline product, and the pH around the vicinity of that granule will be very high, approaching 10 in pH. Temperature. So soil temperatures obviously play a part in the speed of these reactions. So when we're in summer or in the middle of summer, things happen very quickly. So volatilisation losses can happen within the first 2 days of a inadequate incorporation event. So, but very quickly in summer, with some high losses occurring reasonably fast. The next one is canopy or stubble. So if we've got a crop that's actively growing, we've got a reasonable crop canopy, and we do happen to have a volatilisation event, the wind is also a factor, and that crop canopy and the wind interaction of how much ammonia that is produced is either recaptured by the canopy or blown off site and lost to our system. Trash and stubble load is another factor that we need to consider. So if we're coming in with that heavy load and we're spreading onto what we think is the soil surface, but those urea granules are stranded on that trash and stubble, there's no real reaction and therefore no benefit to our crop, and we would need some more rainfall to incorporate that product a bit later on into the season. So our end response will be limited. And the very last one is time. So most of these losses can happen, as I said, very quickly due to the soil temperature and the time of year, and most of the volatilisation losses occur in the 36 to 48 hours following the rainfall incorporation event if inadequate. So they're the number of factors that coincide to create some quite large potential for volatilisation losses.